The trumpet sound of direction. In the wilderness, where confusion could rise with the dust, God didn't leave his people guessing. He gave them a sound, clear, piercing, unmistakable, the silver trumpets. Crafted by divine instruction, these weren't instruments for entertainment. They were commands in sound form. One long blast? The leaders were to gather. 2 blasts? The whole camp was to move. Short, sharp blasts? Time for war. A joyful note? A celebration offering to God. Every sound had a meaning. Every tone carried authority. When the trumpets rang, the people responded, not based on mood, but on meaning. In a world of noise, Israel learned to listen for what mattered. Their direction didn't come from emotions or opinions, but from the sound that heaven had authorized. Today, the trumpets may be silent, but the Spirit still speaks, clear, intentional, purposeful. God's voice still gives direction. He still calls leaders to attention, still stirs his people to move, still alerts when it's time to battle or time to worship. But here's the key. Only those who've trained their ears will recognize the sound. The question isn't whether God is speaking. The real question is, are we listening? The trumpet's blast didn't just tell them what to do, it reminded them who was leading. It was the sound of order in chaos, clarity in the unknown, peace in motion. If you're ready to tune your heart to the voice of God in every season, follow for more powerful truths from Scripture that help you hear clearly and walk boldly.